Let's get into it. Pretty quick video, lots of information, strap in. I'm Mike. Let's talk Bonamici Racing rear sets. Bonamici adjustable rear sets are made in Italy with high-end quality CNC billet aluminum for sport bikes and track use. These replace stock foot pegs, brake lever, shift lever, and allows you to change the position for better controls, ergonomics, and overall comfortability. In worst case scenario, if things were to go bad, you can replace certain section. It's all modular. A few key features you should know when you're shopping Motovation for Bonamici. CNC billet aluminum. Anodized black is standard. Color laser customization. Optional heel guard and toe pegs. Use double ball bearing instead of bronze bushing for smoother movement, less friction. Spring-loaded return lever for the rear brake is typically included. Many kits allow you to run normal shift or reverse GP shift. You can reposition pegs forwards, backwards, up and down pretty much in all models. Very versatile, totally recommend it. It's amazing. I can't run any other bike without having some Bonamici rear sets. It's just something I must have now. Available for many modern sport bike, your S1000RR, your Ducati, your Aprilias, you name it, right here at Motovation, you can just shop for yours. I mean, we're talking about Bonamici. Might as well touch base on some of the pros that you'd get by upgrading your OEM to a Bonamici adjustable racing rear set. You can fine-tune the peg position to fit your height, style, comfort, and ground clearance. High quality material and craftsmanship, I mean, it's a given. Great for track use as well as aggressive street riding. Replacing stock rear set often means better grip, more robustness, and sportier feel. These rear sets are premium components and you can't beat that. Entry price point is going to vary based on the bike that you're riding, anywhere between $500 to $1,000. And make sure you check the website. Price may vary. Keep that in mind. Check for your specific sport bike, but it's completely worth it. We're talking about tailoring the bike to sit the way you want based on your height, based on your riding style. If you're a track rider, if you're looking for a better lean angle where it's not going to scrape like the OEM would, it gives you a ton of flexibility, and it's practically a standard mod that I do pretty much on all my bikes moving forward, just to kind of make them ride the way I want, to feel the way I want. So would I recommend this? Absolutely. I originally have Bonamici installed onto my Aprilia RS660 race bike, and it's changed the game completely. Now it's installed on my Panigale V4. It's next level tier of comfort and riding the bike and enjoying it. So grab one for yourself. Absolutely recommend it, and you'll thank me later.